Just over here drowning in a pool of my own sweat. Don't mind me. This is truly one of the most refreshing Sauvignon Blancs that I've tried to this day. This is the Matua Sauvignon Blanc. Everything I want. Crisp, dry, ice cold. I can't believe I'm doing another would I repurchase this video, aka an Empties video, aka is this a holy grail, like any of those titles work. I have about 10 Empties here that I've made my way through in the last month, and I can't even remember what they are, so it's kind of like a fun grab bag situation for me as well. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cate. I'm an exclusively pro-choice influencer, which means that I only feature products from brands that are vocally pro-choice. I do keep a researched and updated pro-choice beauty brand list, and that can always be found on Instagram. It is always a pinned post, and now it is also found on Threads. But I'm still going to direct you to Instagram because that's definitely where I put up a lot of content, a lot of stories, a lot of reels about what I'm doing here with this pro-choice beauty brand mission. That is like hitting today. So this I just finished today, like right before filming this video. I used my last bit of this. This is the Bioma Brightening Serum, which is a triceramide complex with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This is a no question I would repurchase this, and this has made me more excited to try more Bioma products. This is a legit affordable brand, kind of along the lines of like the Inky List prices, I would say. So for instance, this serum is somewhere between like $15 and $20. So this is going to improve tone and texture for brighter, glowing skin without compromising daily skin barrier functions. So this basically was my hyaluronic acid serum. I always want to have a hyaluronic acid serum in my routine. I never go without it. And I ran out of my Merit Great Skin as well as my Jordan Samuels serum. So this took its place. Thought I'd try something new. It was great. It was juicy. It was wonderful. It was a fantastic first serum step to my skincare regimen. Once again, instant repurchase. Also, I have to share this with you because this combination is killing it. I combined the Fenty body sauce with the e.l.f. Halo Glow, like mixed them half and half today, and I put it all over my décolleté. It's even better. Like this was made better by this, and I didn't even think that was possible because this is damn near perfection. I'm going back in. This got left to the wayside in my last would I repurchase this video. I somehow forgot to include it, so I'm including it in this. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this is hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides, and this was a fantastic, affordable cleansing balm. And I didn't think it was that much different from other cleansing balms, like higher end cleansing balms, like the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, you know, the Glow Recipe Cleansing Balm, which is one of my favorites with papaya. Love those. And if I have the Cassia Flash, I definitely would get the Glow Recipe for sure. But if you're looking to save money, this does pretty much the exact same thing. It's really nice and smoothing on your skin. I would say this is actually my go-to affordable cleansing balm at the moment. This is also kind of a random thing to bring up, but it's actually not random at all because as you can see, I live in a very small space in New York City. I don't have enough room to be having some big ass jar of cleansing balm sitting on my sink. I really don't. So thank you to e.l.f. for making like a sensible sized container. Okay, so I am picking this one on purpose next because I want to compare that to this cleansing balm from Versed. So this is the Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm with eucalyptus oil and vitamin E. Guys, I love Versed, and there wasn't anything wrong with this product, but it was kind of a fail for me just because I really don't like the smell of eucalyptus in my products. I never really realized that until I tried, I believe the brand is called Eve L'Homme, their cleansing balm a few years back. Everyone raved about it and said it was the best cleansing balm they'd ever tried. Run, do not walk. And the smell of this cleansing balm, and it had some, if it wasn't eucalyptus, it was something eucalyptus light. The smell of it made me so nauseous. Like truly, I could not get through it. I just gave it away to a friend. This is not nearly as strong or as bad as that scent, but again, it's a eucalyptus, and for some reason, I am just like not having it. But if you're a person who loves eucalyptus or you just don't care, this is a really nice, affordable cleansing balm as well. I just really I just couldn't deal with the scent. The other thing I want to mention is that I'm wearing a new shade, well, new to me, shade of the Say Glow Sculpt. I completely dismissed this bronze glow shade because I just felt like it was, you know, too deep for me. I just didn't think it was gonna work with my skin tone. I was wrong. This is what I'm wearing on my face today, and this is the only blush slash bronzer shade I have on my face at all. This is giving me like spent the day at the beach, just fresh out of the shower vibes. Okay, so next moving on to a deodorant, and I am making my way through these deodorants that Mega Babe sent me. And out of all of the Mega Babe deodorants I've tried, this is my favorite so far, and I think I've tried about 4 different kinds at this point. This is the Smoothie deodorant, and it really does smell, it smells so good. It really does smell like a smoothie. There's like a little tiny bit left. I'm sure it's not even gonna, there's something there. Because, you know, I really can't have too much deodorant. The reason I love this is because of the scent, and I do feel like it was a little bit more effective than some of the other deodorants. Like right now I'm trying their Rosy Pits, I think it's called, deodorant. It's okay. It's like a gel balm formula, and I don't love it, and it's not as effective. Do I think this will stand up for you during the summer? I mean, I don't know, you know, like that is so personal. Everybody has such different body chemistry, and we all live in different climates. I'm a sweaty beast, so I'm probably gonna need something a little bit more than this, but the rest of the year, this is perfect for me. So this is sent to me by Pacifica, and this is their Vegan Collagen Body Milk Spray. It's vegan collagen and flower extracts and powerhouse antioxidants. It's an easily blendable, quickly absorbable, silky smooth, sprayable hydration. I, as a lotion connoisseur at this point, did not like this at all. It actually didn't rub in that well, and it wasn't that special. I didn't feel like it moisturized my skin that great, and I'm also just so in love with my current body hydration, which is the Skin Fix AHA BHA cream, which helps with KP. There is a fucking ad in here, and I am going to lose my shit. It wants my wine. Unfortunately, I'm also to the point where if I don't use something like that Skin Fix product that I just mentioned for my KP, I can't. Like, I can't go without it. Okay, time for a makeup product. This is the LYS Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder. I loved this so much, and I do feel like this is a pretty great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. Unfortunately, Charlotte Tilbury and LYS are not pro-choice. That's how much I loved this. I was not gonna just like give this away or throw it out. It was just such a beautiful blurring powder, and so the reason I'm showing it to you is to let you know that I'm still on the hunt for a beautiful pro-choice blurring pressed powder, okay? I have heard from my friend Chase that makes a powder that might be a winner. That is on my list for sure, and I want to emphasize pressed powder here. I have beautiful pro-choice loose powders up the freaking wazoo, but I don't like loose powder. I used loose powder today. I used the Ilia loose powder. Again, beautiful product. Hate the fact that it's loose, but it's kind of what I have to work with. So I powder my face, I go into the bathroom, and literally there's just, no joke, white powder all down the front of me. I wouldn't be mad if loose powder just like went away entirely. It just pisses me off. Well, here she is. This product has been on my damn channel since day one, and I still love it. This is the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade brown. It's gotta be somewhere close to like my 10th boy brow at this point. I also use the Benefit Brow Gel, which is nice, but I do feel like it's a little bit like thin and wet for me. The perfect brow product to me was the Cozzens Brow Gel, and I'm still, like the LYS powder, on the lookout for something that is a dupe, that is comparable to the Cozzens Gel. Okay, so I'm grabbing the last 2 products and I'm talking about them together because they're from the same brand. These are from Jordan Samuel Skin. This is the Hydrate Mist, and this is the Hydrate Facial Serum. These are like run, do not walk situations. He makes such beautiful, simple, high quality skincare, and especially if you have sensitive skin, you gotta check him out. I actually always have a 15% off code with Jordan Samuel Skin that can always be found in my description box. So this was my go-to hyaluronic acid and mist. I use one right after the other. So what I do is I go ahead and cleanse my face, mist my face with Hydrate the Mist, and then immediately go over my wet face with the Hydrate Facial Serum. There's something that Jordan says, and I'm not gonna say it like he does. I'm not gonna get it perfect, but he always talks about how the key to a perfect skincare regimen is light layers of juicy skincare. And I just love that simplistic approach. And I think it's so true. And it really has led me to have some of the best skin I've ever had. And if you do anything, definitely follow Jordan on Instagram, because he is a wealth of knowledge about skincare, obviously. And every week he's getting on there and talking about his products, the best way to use them, what they're gonna do for you. He really breaks down the order and simplifies skincare, which I love. Truly everything I've tried from Jordan is phenomenal. Okay guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are digging on my content, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and please go follow me over on Threads and Instagram as well. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time. Bye. Oh, yeah.